Hi, my name is Yusuf Pathan. I'm currently working as Managing Director with Key Resourcing. Key Resourcing is one of the leading RPOs in the world. I started working as a sourcer 14 years back. I've been into the sourcing industry since 14 years now. And during these 14 years, I've seen a lot of technology changes in the market. Initially, when I started working as a sourcer, I thought that internet is just a medium to get information. But slowly, I realized that it's not just getting information, but there's more to it. When I started working with US clients, when I started working with the European clients, I realized that they've been using the latest technologies available in the market. But when compared to the Western part and the Indian part, there is a huge gap in the sourcing process. So, these in the Western part, there are a lot of different tools available. They use a lot of tools. Most of their sourcing process are simplified by using these different technologies. They've got sophisticated process in the recruitment industry. So during this during this learning phase, I was reading articles, I was following these experts, and during this self-learning process, I realized that we should also build something similar in the Indian market. So me and my team, we've started with this new venture called SourcePro. Now we're launching this SourcePro certification specifically to the Indian market. We would be training recruiters and sourcers on the latest technologies available in the market. Last couple of months, we've done a lot of surveys in the Indian market and realized that there's a first thing, there's a lack of recognition in the market. Sources and recruiters are not recognized in the market. Secondly, there's no formal training available for sources and recruiters, and that's where SourcePro would come into picture, where these people would be recognized, they would be certified with the certification. Third, still they're relying more on the traditional ways of recruitment. But with SourcePro, we would help them transform their entire recruitment process. We would help them in learning new technologies, new tools, and new techniques in the market. We would help them in sophisticating their entire recruitment process. Okay, so along with SourcePro, we're also launching a new social community website called Sourcing Adda. Now, Sourcing Adda, our aim for Sourcing Adda is to get all sources and recruiters on one single platform where they can discuss about the latest recruitment technologies, latest recruitment trends, where they can share their best practices and learn from them. So this is our sincere effort to bring innovation, excellence, recognition and transformation in the recruitment industry. We hope, we look forward for you to be a part of this initiative, and let's achieve this goal together. Thank you.